Hello guys, welcome to my video. So today our topic is unlock the secret of the affiliate marketing and beginner's guides for earning. So let's start our video. So unlocking the secret of affiliate marketing, a beginner's guides of earning in 2024 in the dynamic world of the digital entrepreneurship and understanding what is affiliate marketing has become the crucial of anyone looking to monetize their online presence, this performance, and here's the presence is this performance-based marketing strategy rewards affiliates for each visitors or customers brought by their marketing effort, effectively opening up pathway the earning and as the digital landscape continues to evolve to importance of adapting and mastering. So affiliate marketing strategies become the imperative for beginners aiming to thrive in 2024. So this guide will dive into the essential of affiliate marketing, starting with the foundation overview. So affiliate marketing strategies become imperative for beginners aiming to thrive in 2024. So this guide will delve into the essential of affiliate marketing, starting with a foundation overview of how it's work and why it's a potent revenue model. Following this, readers will learn how to choose and the right insights to products that align with their interest and audience, and making their marketing a diverse, not just and profitable but also authentic. And the article will the cover of the critical steps of the building an affiliate marketing platform along with the strategies for successful affiliate marketing. So these readers will learn how to choose the right niche and products that align with their interest and audience, making their marketing endeavors not just and there is a profitable but also authentic sense. This video will be cover the critical steps of the building affiliate and marketing platform along with the strategies for successful affiliate marketing that can elevate beginners the proficient levels to understanding these components. Aspiring marketers will be equipped with the knowledge necessary to navigate the affiliate marketing realm and effectively in 2024. And understanding in the affiliate marketing as definitions of affiliate marketing is affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals or entities earn commission by promoting products or services belonging to. So another merchants or advertisers is the affiliate, often referred to as the publishers, utilize their platform, be it a blog, social media account, or websites to drive traffic or sales to the merchant offering. And this advertising model is based on revenue sharing, where affiliate receives a fixed commission upon the completion of a sale or and other qualified actions. So the basic workflow of affiliate marketing: finding the right fit. Affiliates use network to discover merchant with affiliate program that align with their audience interest. Popular network include the recruiting, advertising, impact, and the click bank. And number 2, promotions. Affiliate share unique tracking link on their platform such as social media, blogs, or websites. Number 3, tracking. When a customer clicks the link and complete a purchase or an other desired action, that transaction is recorded. Number 4, commission. The affiliate to earn a commission for each successful conversations and of which is tracked through affiliate link. Key players in affiliate marketing: merchants, affiliate, and network. So merchant or enterprises business that sell products or services and create affiliate program to incentivize traffic and conversation for affiliates. And affiliates are publishers, individuals, or companies that promote the merchant offering on their platforms. They earn commission based on the scale. So lead generation from their marketing efforts and affiliate networks platform that act like and payments examples include the share a sale, CG affiliate, and recruiting, advertising. Affiliate marketing ecosystem is dynamic and involves various key players, each contributing to the success of marketing campaigns. And understanding the roles of to success of marketing campaigns, understanding the role and the workflows of these players is crucial for anyone looking to engage is in affiliate marketing. So choosing the right niche and product factors to consider when selecting your niche. Number 1, interest and the expertise. Choosing a niche that aligns with one interest and expertise is the crucial. It builds trust the audience and this aids them establishing oneself as an expert in their area, which is beneficial of SEO and the social media presence. And Number 2, audience alignment. The selection night should resonate with the audience interest. Engaging is nights that do not align with the audience values, and many more. So I hope you understand. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.